Hi guys, I'm just gonna go out for a little ride. More testing of the microphone. See if this works. We'll get there one of these days, I promise. Tickle the carbs. Choke on, even though it's very warm. Couple of kick throughs. Compression lever on. Get to top dead centre. Compression in. Half a stroke. Open up a little bit and try again. Down a bit and third time's a charm. Good afternoon guys. It's a bit windy, so I hope you can hear me okay. Got a different microphone in the helmet. This is one of my favourite local rides, just to stretch the bike and test it out a little bit. that was a nice ride. I enjoyed that. Going a little faster than normal, but just felt like I needed it today, guys. Oh, sometimes you just got to go fast, haven't you, to clear the cobwebs. Well, I hope you're all doing okay. I hope you're enjoying the cul-de-sac series still. I've just got a couple more in the backlog, and then we might have to take the cul-de-sac, or I should say the mighty garage, on the road. So I've got a couple of friends lined up. We're going to go and visit them and see what they're up to with their projects and bikes. Some really nice bikes that I think you'll like. But thanks for all your great comments. I really appreciate it. There's been a couple of colourful comments and I've removed those. Just for your information, I have a pretty zero tolerance to anything nasty, as you know. So I'm sorry, but I'm just not going to tolerate any kind of bad language or really kind of snide and snarky comments. So they'll get deleted, and worst case scenario, if it carries on, I'll just block certain people from my channel. We don't need that. This is supposed to be about fun and bikes and staying safe. But they know who they are, and for the most part, well, 99% of you all out there, brilliant comments. I really appreciate it. Just a great discourse between us all. Just take it a little easy and slide down this road. I'm sorry about the audio quality on that Vincent ride. Oh man, I was disappointed when I looked at those files. I got a new microphone and everything, and I didn't realise it was more sensitive than this one, and therefore it was letting a lot of wind noise in. This one's got one of those dead cats around it, which helps buffer or shield some of the wind noise. Come to a dead end. No, we do. Yeah, we do. Gravel road here. Yep. Been here once before. It's the end of the road, guys. Thanks very much for watching. See you later.